question is, can A to Z logistics connect with these partners while maintaining flexibility and speed? The answer is yes, and for that we introduced the Lobster Trading Partner Manager. With this, A to Z Logistics can do a self-service invite towards Summit Gear and ask Summit Gear to onboard themselves on the landscape of A to Z without all of the tedious back and forth phone calls and emails. And then the Lobster Trading Partner Manager will automatically configure parts of the integration process for you. But don't take my word for it. I would very much like to ask Patrick here on stage to show you really how we do it.
Okay, thanks, Jethro. So, let me jump in the two roles that Jethro mentioned, A to Z Logistics Company, and they've got a new customer, and this customer wants to get up and running very quickly. I need to get them connected. Let's see how that looks. So, in Lobster, you have the possibility of adding partners and channels. This is in itself not too tricky. The problem is, as Jethro mentioned, emails, Excel sheets, keeping track of which partners I've onboarded. And what we'd like to do here today is show you how we can do that faster, and not just look at the technical connection, but also the communication aspects. I have the ability here then to put in, of course, the different information. I'll put in a company name. I want to get Summit Gear on board. Okay, for here, I'd probably put the communication name of the person I'm talking to on the other side, but for right now, I'm going to put in Summit Gear. And then I'm also going to put in here, of course, an email. What I can do here then now, of course, different languages are possible if my partners are in different countries. And I have the possibility here to check which environment, so I can connect to my test system or to my production system. In this case, I have a production system. I can choose my protocol. We're going to use SFTP today. And I can decide whether that's inbound, outbound, whatever. In this case, we're going to do outgoing, meaning I want to connect to the system over there. So let's do this. I'll save this. I'll do a preview here. This is the email that goes out. So you can see it's A to Z branded. And what I'll do now is send out the connection. You'll see now Summit Gear showed up, and it showed up as sent. Let me refresh this, and you'll see a new file just showed up right now. Let's go in and take a look at this. Copy this out. Go back into the Trading Partner Manager. Put that in there. Validate it. Test successful. So all of this can happen anytime I want. It's not dependent on communication, email, Excel list, or anything like that. Let me jump back over here and show you what's happened at A to Z. If we go back into A to Z now, you'll see here we've got sent. Let's refresh this. Go in here. You'll see that this is set up as deployed. Now this is in the online platform. What does it mean for the Lobster platform by A to Z? If we go in here and take a look at this, let's go back into our partners. Let's refresh this. And you'll see now Summit Gear showed up, added via the Trading Partner Manager. I've got a connection here. As easy as that is how you can do it immediately with the Lobster Data Platform. How's that, Jethro?
Yeah, thanks, Patrick.